Hello everyone, Sachin here. Today I'm going to talk about one wonderful platform that's called Testing Daily. And before starting, let me ask you, how many of you are spending lots of time on social media? The answer would be we are spending more time on social media. So now I have opened one article on ForbesIndia.com page, and here we can see on average internet user spend 2 hours and 29 minutes on social media network worldwide. That's a very huge time, 2 hours 20 minutes on an app. So now the question is, how can we make this time productive? So there would be lots of ways to make this time productive, like we can read books, we can read articles, we can watch some good videos, and there would be some other ways as well. And now, if I say if we can get like QA or testing related stuff at one place, it would be good. I mean, like if we can get, all the latest articles or latest videos, latest interviews, and latest tool which is coming in the market for testing, that would be great. I'm sure everyone is aware about Sanjay Kumar. He's a founder and creator of the Selector Subs. He has created Testing Daily app, and he has created Selector Subs, and he created Test Case Studio and Test Case Hubs. So there are lots of tools he created. To keep this problem in mind, he has created one wonderful platform is called Testing Daily platform. Basically, Testing Daily platform, if you open this page, there is called Selector Subs page, and it's definitely saying like Testing Daily is a tester homepage, which lists down all the latest testing related blogs, tutorial, news, trends in in the new tab. It is absolutely free browser plugin. So thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Sanjay, for creating this wonderful platform. Let's give him a big hand. So Sanjay, you are keep creating lots of wonderful platform where QA they can spend a good time. So if I talk about testing daily, how can we use? So testing daily, if you open the selectorhubs.com and testing daily, so here you can see it is available for Android phone, it is available for iPhone, it is available in Chrome plugin, Edge plugin, Opera, Brave, and Chromium. And there's a one web portal as well, it's called testingdaily.info, and here you can see if you scroll down right. So this is the today videos. So people they are anything's coming on YouTube, it will automatically populate here, and you can go through what is going. Okay, and this is available for Android platform as well, testing daily, and the lots of people they have installed this application already. Rating is 4.8, and 1000 already people they have installed, and even I have installed. I found this application is very wonderful where I'm getting all the latest trends on testing. Okay, it is available for iOS mobile as well. You can install in iOS as well, and you can just completely free. I'm sure you folks are going to utilize your time in good way. I recommend you can install this testing daily app, and you can spend time where you will get lots of latest stuffs of the testing. All right, that's what I want to cover. Thank you folks, happy learning, have a good day.